Hello, today we are going to be unboxing an orchid from Japanese Orchids on eBay. So this is actually my second order from Japanese Orchids on eBay. My first order from them was a Vanda cherry blossom, formerly known as Ascophoenicia cherry blossom. And I've had my eye on them for a while because, as their name suggests, they sell Japanese orchids and mainly Neophoenicias. And they have a lot of like pink and yellow, really cool different varieties, but since I don't grow Neophoenicias anymore, I figured I'd look at their other ones. And I found a Sedirea Japonica Minmaru. So let's see what it looks like. Let me take care of this packaging. Okay. So this is it. And I killed one Japonica, one Phal Japonica, and I have a second one that's doing fine. So I figured I would try my hand at one of these smaller versions. Look at it, it's a baby! Yes, look at it, it's so cute. So here's the tag. And so they sent it to me overnight, and since they're in Santa Barbara and I'm in Ventura, it came here overnight, which is great. And the medium is dry, which I do not mind. And I'm gonna put this in a cup. A little plastic cup so I can just keep a little bit more humidity, and then I'm gonna just water it from the bottom. See if there are any roots at the bottom. I think I see a couple roots like in there. Yeah, I got a lot of root growth right here at the top, which is great. And that is my unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.